Nah.
This is Kyle. If you're new here, my name is Ruben. I basically meet up with my subscribers, hang out for a day, talk to people, and film it to show you that you can talk to anyone. Let's go.
Hello?
You have a very beautiful smile.
Someone's getting married. Cheers.
Cheers.
Adios here. Hello. Hey, good morning. How are you doing?
I'm actually on the phone.
Okay, cool. I saw you, just thought you were beautiful.
Thank you.
Wanted to say hello.
I'm actually married.
Okay, well, yeah, have a good day. What's it good?
Kyle, the great return. 8 months later.
The first one of the day, you know?
It's fucking
Get
8:30
the-
a.m. right now.
Get the juices flowing. Hello? Hey, good morning.
How are you?
Doing well, how are you doing?
Doing good, thanks.
Doing well, I saw you, thought you looked beautiful, so
Oh, thank
just
you.
wanted to say hello.
Well, hello.
Yeah, good morning, cheers.
Cheers.
What do you have going on today?
I'm going to fitness class later and then just life chores.
Life chores, okay. Some laundry,
Yeah.
dishes.
Things like
Yeah,
that.
yeah, I got you. Well, I'm gonna continue walking, but later tonight we should grab a drink.
Oh, so
After
I
your
should
class,
probably
or-
let you know I'm actually gay. So
You're
I'm
gay?
gonna
Oh,
get my
okay. No, that's
answer for
awesome. Yeah,
Other team.
I'm a lesbian too.
Yeah.
Yeah. So cheers to that.
Cheers.
But awesome. That's cool. Well, yeah. You what are you doing for your fitness class?
It's actually mixed martial arts.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Nice. That's
Yeah.
dope. So you like kick people's ass and like.
Yeah, or try to. I'm pretty new at it. So
But yeah, well, it was nice meeting you.
yeah, likewise.
Enjoy the rest of your day.
Yeah, enjoy the rest of your time.
Yeah, yeah.
Enjoy
Thank
the
you.
good weather.
Yeah, yeah. I will. Yeah, you too. Yeah, have a good one.
All right, you too.
Yeah, peace. Yeah.
How was that?
It was good. Yeah, nice conversation.
What
She
did
was
it
cool.
end?
Well, I mean, I asked her to get her a drink, and she told me she was gay,
Okay.
and I said I'm a lesbian too. So didn't we cheers to that?
Okay.
Hello,
Hi.
how you doing?
Good. How are you?
I'm doing great. I was walking. I saw you. You look beautiful.
Thank you.
Just wanted to say hello. I see you're on the phone.
I am on the phone.
Oh, who you talking to?
My cousin.
Oh, your cousin. Are you
Yes.
speaking Spanish?
Yes. we
Hola
are.
to your
Hola.
cousin. I know a little bit of Italian.
Oh, cool.
Mi cugini. I don't know if that's.
It's
Similar.
similar, but I can probably understand a little bit, but I don't.
How do you say my
yeah.
cousin in Spanish?
Mi prima.
Mi prima, okay.
Mi prima.
Hola,
Hola, prima.
mi prima. Sí.
Yeah. Yeah.
Um,
Well, thanks for stopping
yeah, I don't want
by.
to take too much
Yeah,
of your time.
I appreciate that.
But we love to grab a drink sometime.
I don't live here. I'm
You
just
know?
visiting.
Oh, me too.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm visiting from San Francisco.
Oh, I live in Texas.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
When do you go back?
Actually tomorrow
Okay,
at
yeah.
night. Yeah.
I leave tomorrow too.
Okay, awesome.
So do you
cool.
want to grab a drink tonight? Or?
No, I have friends. I'm gonna meet with a friend right
Okay.
now. But thank you. I
That's so good.
appreciate
Yeah,
that.
yeah. You have a good rest of your
I'm
day.
flattered. Thank
Yeah,
you.
yeah,
You
yeah.
as well.
Adios.
Thanks for stopping by.
Yeah, adios. Yeah.
What happened?
We're about to go
Where?
in this restaurant. So.
So okay, go sit at the table. Even better. Perfect. Just go in and go at the table and talk to them at the table, and then you come back. It's fine. You're not gonna stay there.
Okay. Oh my god, Ruben. Hello, hello. How you doing? Yeah, I was walking. I saw you, and you came here. I just wanted to say hello.
Hello.
Thought you looked beautiful.
Thank you.
So I just wanted
Appreciate
to say hello. Yeah. How's the day going?
it. It's going well.
Yeah, nice. What have you been up to today?
Actually expecting somebody, so
Oh, okay, nice. Who are you expecting?
a friend. So.
Oh, nice. That's awesome. Yeah, I'm just here for the weekend.
Well, thanks for saying
Enjoying.
hi.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
Yeah. We'll enjoy. What's this, Fig Tree? Yeah. Enjoy the restaurant. Yeah. Have a good day. Yeah, you too. Yeah. Maybe I took that the wrong way, yo.
She was like, you were waiting for someone, you were like, okay, and then you left. I'm gonna give you a feedback. It's not that you're formal, but I feel like you're a bit rigid. Try to talk to people as if like you already know them, as if it's like more relaxed already, you know?
Yeah. Hello. Hey, sorry. I didn't mean to
You scared me.
disturb you. Yeah.
Hey.
Hey, how you doing? I just thought you were cute.
Journaling.
Just wanted to say hello.
Okay.
Yeah, I didn't want to shock you.
You scared me.
Yeah. Yeah.
doing the goals
Yeah.
for the week.
Oh, nice. What are the goals?
That's super personal.
Personal, okay.
I mean, yeah.
Okay, yeah. I usually have some goals like running, fitness, you know.
No, not really. Those aren't really just like tasks.
Oh, okay, nice. That's cool. How's your day going otherwise?
Just starting.
Just starting? Nice. You just woke up?
Starting my morning. This
Get some
far,
coffee.
You know.
So what is the plan for the rest of the day?
I don't know. It's kind of what I'm figuring out.
Oh, in journal?
Right now.
Oh,
What
okay.
should I have to do? And,
Yeah.
Like, yeah. What I gotta do.
Uh-huh.
The week and the day and stuff.
And then I came and
Yeah,
no time for talking to
No, I'm being
new people.
Well, I'm trying to be productive, you know.
It's good. Well, yeah, enjoy the rest of your journaling.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice meeting
Have
you.
a good chat. Have a good time.
Yeah, well,
Good chat. Sorry I don't have a lot to offer.
No, it's
Only
okay.
This far in my day. So
oh,
I
yeah.
haven't even got a cup of coffee.
Uh-huh. It's all good. Yeah, well, let's grab a drink later tonight.
Maybe.
Yeah, so you can
tonight.
put it right there. Just pencil it in the calendar.
LOL. That's so funny.
Yes. Yeah, well, you can grab your number and
Yeah, sure.
figure something out.
I'll give it to you. I don't know what I'm doing. I haven't planned out the rest of my day yet.
Yeah, you can write.
Besides
I'm going on
this
a.
final task.
I'm going on a date with Kyle. I'm doing the work for you. You know.
Yeah, my number is 323.
Nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you too.
Text you my name. Well, yeah, enjoy the rest of your day, and maybe we can go out tonight. So
Yeah.
I'll text you. Yeah.
Let me know how your day goes.
Yeah. Have a good one. Yeah, nice meeting you. Yeah, it was good. Started off a little bumpy because I startled
at first
her.
her energy
I
was,
scared her, and then I feel like I calmed down. I
Yeah,
didn't
yeah.
let that she was startled or scared
Yeah.
throw me off. Still expressed myself. Still had a good conversation, some jokes,
Yeah.
laughs, and then asked her out for the night. So
Yeah.
got a number. So
Let's see.
what happens.
Let's see.
Yeah.
Cool. So yeah, as you can see, I'm in LA with Kyle. He's here for the weekend. It's been a while. 11
Since
months.
January. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Nice.
Yeah.
So how has this year been for you? Like, what has happened since last time?
Yeah, it's been
people
great.
saw you.
Yeah, I moved from Charlotte to San Francisco in April. It's been living
Got a
life.
new job.
New job, yeah.
Boom.
Software engineer.
Yeah. when we met him,
traveling.
he was doing DoorDash delivery.
Yeah, just doing interview
interview
prep, leak code. Yeah, so came a long way. Been meeting new women pretty much every day. Just stepping out of my comfort zone. Yeah. Stepping out of my comfort zone, and so it's nice to see you again and meet more people and maybe show a little progression or so.
Yeah.
I don't know how much progress. It doesn't seem like I made much progress.
Seems like you went backwards. Bro, you're not making me look good right now. You're not making me look good.
No, but I mean, maybe I have some insight or what I've learned, but it's been good. Yeah, it's been good just meeting new people. My world has opened up, like I said.
Would you say your world has opened up?
Yeah, I'm meeting people. I have interesting conversations, not with just women I'm attracted to, but people I meet on the plane or whatever situation. I just talk to.
You feel like you're more
social. Yeah, I've become a social animal.
Everyone is a social animal.
Yeah.
You're already a social animal.
Yeah, you just gotta unlock it,
Just,
tap in.
Come out of your little.
Yeah, but no, it's been great.
Okay. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. I mean, we're just hanging out today, walking around, chilling.
It's a beautiful
taking
day.
The sun, it's nice.
Yeah.
And let's see what we can do.
Hello. Hey, you're beautiful. Yeah. How's your day going?
Good.
Nice. What have you been up to?
I'm meeting friends.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
What are you gonna do? Get some food or
I don't know.
just play it by ear?
Yeah.
Nice. That's cool. Are you enjoying the day?
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. What's your name?
It's okay. Like you don't have to talk to me.
Oh, but I want to talk to you.
I know, but
It's okay.
I'm don't want to talk to anybody. That's why I'm walking along.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
No, so
that's
it's
why
okay.
I want my peace before I meet everybody.
Oh, I just
yeah.
disturbed your peace.
Yeah.
Namaste.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
Yeah, you have a good rest of your day.
You too.
Yeah,
you
you
too.
too,
You have
yeah.
very beautiful smile. People love you.
You say what? You like my smile?
You do, yeah.
But you don't like my smile?
I do.
Not enough to talk? No.
No. I want to walk along.
Yeah, it's okay. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, have a good one. Yeah, bye. She said she liked my smile.
Nah. Wouldn't you
Yeah,
say,
yeah,
oh,
yeah,
let's
I
do
guess-
something later. Like,
Yeah. That's a good point.
I mean,
I think I take it as like if she doesn't want to talk.
well, you can
I
say,
need
I'll
to-
let you have your little moment right now, but we should hang out another time.
Yeah.
like,
I
yeah,
guess I'm thinking like if
Because maybe
That's a
she
good-
saw
yeah.
you by yourself. Maybe she's like, okay, this guy. Maybe, like sometimes you go on a walk, you want to be by yourself. Someone comes and talk to you. Like maybe she thinks, okay, I don't want him to like hang out with me right now.
Yeah.
You can suggest something else.
Yeah.
Especially you have to become as naive as a child who don't see the opposition. you know?
Yeah.
Like always assume the best possible outcome.
Hello.
While I was there.
Hey, you're beautiful. Yeah, you want to say hello? Yeah, I really like your sense of style. You have the glasses. It's nice. Yeah.
She's married though.
Oh, you
I'm
married?
sorry.
Oh, okay, nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. Where's the? Oh, yeah, nice. That's cool. What are you all up to today?
Drinking.
Drinking?
Yeah.
Oh, you just left from drinking, doing some more.
Having to start drinking.
Oh, nice.
Uh-huh.
Well, you know that Drake lyric. You can't drink all day if you don't start in the morning.
That's true. This is
You kind of got a late
true.
start, so you got to make up for it,
Words to live by. I know we're
Uh-huh.
starting late, really.
Yeah.
If you think about it that way.
Yeah. Yeah, she's gonna like rip some shots or
No. Like
you know
kombucha. Or
kombucha. Take a little light,
something. Like beer.
Beer,
Yeah, healthy drinking.
healthy drinking. Okay, that's good. Yeah, I'm more of a wine guy. Wine, just chill. But every now and then, kombucha is good. I had some hard kombucha. It was fire.
And it's healthy.
It's healthy.
Ish.
Ish. What makes it healthy?
Makes you burp a little,
You burp a lot. She burps a lot.
When I
She
drink,
burps a lot?
When I drink bubbly stuff, yeah.
And you're like, oh, stop. Your breath stinks. That's why you have the gum right now.
Yeah, right. I have some, like chicken salad.
Uh-huh.
Gotta
There you go.
cover that up.
Nice.
I can only do that once I'm already really drunk.
Oh, okay. So like couple kombuchas,
Yeah, a couple
kombuchas, and then you let the hot dogs fly.
Yeah, exactly.
Do you know the slang is
everything the kombucha just did.
you know the
for my
slang
body.
glizzy? They call hot dogs glizzies.
They call them Lizzies.
Glizzies. I don't know, but like that's just the name. The glizzy.
Interesting.
So you're a glizzy gal.
A glizzy gal.
Yeah.
I only eat the glizzies when I'm drunk.
Yeah.
Here we go now.
That's funny. Yeah.
Okay.
Well, I'm gonna meet my friend, but it was nice meeting you.
Nice chatting.
Yeah. Have a good rest of your day. Yeah, you too. Yeah, it was nice. They're very friendly, and I feel that she's married, but like you can still have a
Yeah,
conversation.
they're still human beings. You can still connect. Like,
and that's the
you
thing.
never
It's
know what
like
can happen.
there's like two alternatives. Like I could just be like, okay, bye, and then maybe I would just talk to them for another 2 minutes, but then that next 2 minutes is just nice for both of us. Laughs, conversation. I probably would never see them again, but like by me wanting to still talk, it just makes that like much more enjoyable, as opposed to just like, oh, just because you're married, I'm not going to talk to you. So
Okay.
yeah,
How do you feel about it?
feel good.
Cool.
Yeah. Hello. Hey, you look amazing. Just wanted to say hello.
Thank you.
Yeah, how's someone's getting married?
Someone's getting married.
Oh,
Yeah,
nice.
our friend.
Oh, nice. I'm surprised you're not the one getting married.
Sorry.
Maybe you'll be next. I don't know. Yeah. How do you know the bride and the groom? Or
We went to school with the bride.
oh, nice. That's
Yeah.
awesome. Where did you go to school?
In DC. in Washington.
Okay, nice. I went to Virginia Tech.
Oh, okay.
So nice. But yeah, hope the ceremony is good.
We're missing
Yeah.
Julian, right? Julian,
Yeah, Julian and Katie.
Katie.
I can call Julian.
Yeah, just faded away. I don't know.
Why did you ask for the number?
I was about to, and then
you did everything. You did the
Yeah,
hardest,
yeah,
and
yeah.
then you're screaming at the end, bro. Come on.
yeah, no, because she's like, we had to call like someone, and then they She's like, "Oh, we're ready for you to do something," and they just walked away. So I was like,
Oh, I see,
I was like interrupting the schedule, and so it was like, I was like, this is the time to go, and then like it just faded away. So
I mean, yeah, like you went in and you did the joke, you did everything, then at the end you leave. It's like, what the fuck?
yeah.